Hello, my name is Alexandra. I am a musician, as many of you in here are as well. Why are we all here today? We're here to share the stage, share our songs, share some music, share stories. I came up with this idea, the Songbird sessions, because I felt a lack of community for songwriters in general in Malta. As I've been traveling around Europe lately playing my songs, I noticed that in many cities there is actually a community. I thought it was a pity that we, Maltese people, don't have one. So I thought, hey, this could really be something.